Dice chess, single die variant, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to capture your opponent's king. There is no check or checkmate. Give each player one chess die. A normal die can be used by assigning pieces to the numbers as so. 1 is pawn, 2 is knight, 3 is bishop, 4 is rook, 5 is queen, and 6 is king. On your turn, roll the die, then pick one of your pieces to move as indicated by the die rolled. If you are unable to move the piece rolled, you can play with one of three options. Option 1. Your turn ends without you moving a piece and your opponent goes. Option 2. You reroll until you have a legal move. Option 3. You move a pawn. Decide which option you will play with before beginning the game. To promote a pawn, you are allowed to use the die symbol of the piece you are promoting the pawn to for its final movement. For example, if you rolled a bishop, you may move a pawn on the 7th row to the 8th and promote it to a bishop. But you would not be allowed to promote it to a queen. You may only use en passant if you roll a pawn the very next turn when the first opportunity for the en passant capture arises. If you don't, you may not use en passant on a later turn. Because there is no check or checkmate, you are allowed to move your king into a threatened space. You are allowed to castle by rolling a king or rook, even if your king is threatened. The first player to capture their opponent's king wins.